Hello, this is our Ashley drug test machine. This is the control panel. The first line is for actual drop height, and the second line is for setting drop height. Because this machine is 380 voltage on the circuit breaker, so if you connect the wrong phases, then the display will not light it. That means no display. Only when you connect the correct phases, and then the display will working. Here I would take an example as 300 drop height. So setting here. $300. After we set, and then remember to click the set. That means confirm. And then we click done. And then we click drop. And this is the fixture for you to fix the sample between here and the drop pallet. After we click reset, the drop pallet will be raised up and we carry it to the place. And here, as you can see, 300 and 309. That means we setting 300 drop height, and then the actual drop height is 309. So we can click RST to reset. If we want to raise up to 1.5 meter, we set here. Remember to click Set. Up. Okay, 1.5 meter. Then click Drop to make the samples falling down. Thank you for watching the video.